3-Minute Flicks. Entertaining, educating.
Hey there, fellow content creators and AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of ChatGPT, the versatile language model developed by OpenAI. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to AI, we've got you covered with the best practices and tips to unlock its full potential. So let's get started. Clearly define your goals. Before you begin, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of what you want from AI. Define your objectives to get the most relevant and accurate responses. For instance, if you're creating content for an educational channel, you'd expect more informative responses, whereas a comedic approach might be more suitable for an entertainment channel. Provide context. AI thrives on context. To receive better responses, provide context to your questions. This helps the model understand the situation and generate more relevant answers. For example, unclear question. Tell me about rockets. Clear question. What are the key components of a rocket, and how do they work together during a space launch? Use system messages. Utilize system messages to guide the conversation. You can gently instruct the AI to adopt a particular role or writing style. This technique works well for storytelling or role-playing scenarios. For instance, system message. You are an adventurous explorer. Describe your recent journey through the Amazon rainforest. Experiment with temperature and max tokens. Two essential parameters are temperature and max tokens. Temperature controls the randomness of responses, while max tokens restrict the length of a reply. Higher temperature values make the output more creative, while lower values result in more focused and deterministic responses. What are the benefits of exercise?
Exercise improves cardiovascular health and boosts mood. Exercise is like magic. It helps with weight management, enhances brain function, and increases your overall energy levels. Plus, it's a great way to reduce stress and boost your mood.
Iterative prompting. Sometimes you might receive incomplete answers. In such cases, you can use an iterative approach to refine the response. Add a follow-up question to guide the AI towards the desired direction. What are the primary colors?
The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow.
That's correct. Now explain how these colors mix to create secondary colors. Use AI to generate ideas and content. AI is an excellent tool for brainstorming ideas and generating content. For writers, it can be a source of inspiration for plot twists, character development, or even dialogue. Bloggers can use it to outline article structures or come up with catchy titles. I'm struggling to develop my character. Can you help me with some ideas?
Sure. Consider giving your character a hidden talent for playing the violin, a fear of heights, and a long-lost twin sibling.
Fine. Tune for your specific needs. If you have access to the fine-tuning feature, you can customize your settings to better suit your requirements. Fine. Tuning enables you to train the model on your dataset, making it more relevant and specialized for your niche. Respect ethical use and avoid bias. As content creators, it's essential to ensure ethical use of AI. Avoid promoting harmful content and be mindful of potential biases in the model's responses. If you encounter biased or inappropriate replies, try rephrasing your prompts or seek assistance from OpenAI's moderation tool. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped with the best practices and tips to make the most of AI. Experiment, explore, and have fun creating amazing content with this powerful language model. Remember, responsible usage is key to harnessing its full potential. Happy content creation, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, take care.